How to make DIY enemy charms with precise laser cuts. AEON Vision Pro feature recognition positioning demonstration. Place a printed fridge magnet material on the work table. Open the RD Vision software. Click on the camera window. Left-click on the XY control to move the camera above the pattern to be recognized. Click Autofocus. Adjust the position so the camera view covers a distinct edge feature of the pattern. Click the Create button to create a template. After creation, it automatically switches to the model window. Right-click and hold to drag out the area for recognition. Click the Find Features button at the top of the window. Adjust the line length slider, then click Search. While having a larger number of extra highlighted lines, press Delete to delete extra highlight line. Left-click and drag to select, or click to select remaining unwanted lines and delete. Delete until only the recognized edge outline remains. Then click the first button on the left panel to switch to Cutting Edit Mode. Click Import to load the cutting file. Left-click and hold the central axis of the cutting graphic. Drag to roughly align with the recognized contour. Use the mouse wheel to zoom in and check alignment. If there is an angle deviation, click the Rotate button in the left toolbar. Keep Rotate angle at 0 by default. Click the Match Test button. Do not change the value, just click OK. Drag directly to route and fit the graphic. After adjustment, switch back to the camera window. Then find results equals 1 appears. Click Match Test multiple times to verify a stable matching. Click Save to store the template. Select the current template and click Delete to remove it. Click Open and re-import the saved template. This step is to clear cache and improve matching efficiency. Continue clicking Match Test when matching succeeds, increase similarity, and keep testing. Click Simulate. The camera will recognize one by one according to search num and offset setting. Switch to the machine window and click Simulate. Recognized points will display the cutting file path. It's clear the 2 points below were not recognized. Don't worry, switch to the camera view and click Measure at the top. Click point 1 in the Measure panel to set the reference. Right-click or use Y plus or minus keys to move the target below. Adjust until the camera view matches the upper target position. If not recognized, lower the similarity threshold a bit. Once recognized, click point 2 to auto-calculate the move distance. Enter the Y direction offset result into the box on the right. Click Simulate to confirm recognition. For more precise positioning, repeat these steps for XY offsets. Test multiple times to confirm recognition accuracy. Click Work Parameter and disable Output for paths not needing cutting. Set cutting processing parameters. Click Simulate again. You will see only the output paths left in the recognized shapes. Click Start or Pause. The camera will recognize in sequence and start cutting.
Cutting is done. With accurate and even recognition. All 4 enemy charms are now beautiful cut.
Thanks for watching.